Hi, Shelby Long here, Senior Vice President of the Strategic Advisor Board, CEO of Business Dynamics, your resident communication expert here to talk to you about small communication changes you can make in your business to enhance your culture and your productivity and to help move your business forward. This week, we're talking about emotional intelligence in the workplace, which was inspired by the discussion I had about diversity and inclusion and equity practices in the workplace last week. We're getting more into the how-to this week. On Monday, we talked about what the communication practice, what emotional intelligence is, and how we can start to think about that in our leadership. The next day, we talked about having a deep self-awareness of your communication habits and core values, and how having that deep understanding allows you to be more empathetic and more constructive in your leadership. Yesterday, we talked about audience and how we can think about our audience, because we can best connect with our audience when we know who they are and what their needs are, because then we can make that emotional connection, be more empathetic in our approach, and really have that deep understanding of our audience as we move forward. Today, I'm going to talk about some practices that we can even start instilling in our work tomorrow that can make our practices more inclusive and actually a better journey for our employees. When our employees have a better journey and when they understand the clear mission and vision and connection of their product, their work practices to our overall mission, that's really where we start having our EQ really emerge as a retention specialist and retaining our employees, having more production for our employees. That's really where the rubber starts to meet the road as far as our practices are concerned. Today, I want to talk about how we can enhance our inclusive practices and our emotional intelligence with our employees by having a clear client journey, a clear employee journey, a clear client journey, and a clear employee journey. When the employee comes into the business, having a clear understanding, an onboarding procedure, clear understanding of what the expectations are and what the responsibilities are, and how they are more involved with the employees and how we can establish that employee culture. If we have that built in from the beginning of the employees working there, what are the expectations of being a part of the culture? And also, what are the expectations of being a part of the client journey? Then those things are very critical into helping open that conversation and to have everybody be a part of that conversation. That's where the true empathetic connection can happen with your employees when that clear journey is established. I think it is enhanced by even having your employees and having that clear journey and those expectations, but also having the understanding of how they are involved with the client journey or the production that's taking place. Just making sure that there is some agency when employees are doing their work, so they know that their work is going towards some sort of production within their business. When you open this conversation, when you enable this clear client journey and clear employee journey within your business and have those clear expectations that are established, it helps your operations run a lot smoother. It gives your employees more agency to be creative. It also allows employees and clients to be open and to have some sort of feedback loop and to just make your business better. Key pieces of inclusion are all key for emotional intelligence in your leadership, and it makes you more adaptable and it makes you more influential as a leader. You want to increase your employee engagement? Have a clear journey for them, have expectations that are articulated, and have clear expectations of how they're supposed to deal with clients or perform their job. I'm here all week talking about communication tips of how to enhance your leadership using emotional intelligence in your workplace. I'll see you tomorrow to talk more about it. If you ever want to reach out and talk one-on-one, shelbyjolong.com is the best place to find me. I'll see you tomorrow.